One of the hardest parts of running a professional or creative service business is getting the right clients to your site and creating the content that helps them trust your business enough to reach out. That's where AI can help. Today, people are discovering businesses in new ways, not only through traditional search, but also through AI-powered tools like ChatGPT. Squarespace's AI SEO tools can help you strengthen your site's foundation by identifying opportunities to improve titles, descriptions, and other important content, so your site is easier to understand and easier to find. And with AI visibility, you can also see whether your business is showing up in ChatGPT and Gemini responses for relevant prompts. That gives you a simple benchmark for how your business appears in this new era of search and helps you understand where you might need to improve your site content. And just as important, AI can also help you attract the right clients and make a strong first impression when they land on your site. For example, if you're building a new site or reworking an existing one, Squarespace Blueprint AI can help you start with tailored guidance based on your business and goals instead of starting from scratch. Blueprint AI helps you create a personalized website with layouts, starter content, and design direction that already feel aligned to your brand. So whether you're launching something new or bringing your business into one connected platform, you can start with something polished and keep refining from there. That matters because a strong first impression builds trust. And for professional and creative service businesses, trust is what turns interest into inquiry. AI can also help you describe what you offer more clearly. Many consultants, designers, photographers, and other service providers know their services well, but translating that into clear website copy can be surprisingly difficult. Whether you're creating a new service listing, writing a package description, or launching a new offer to customers, AI can help you draft a strong starting point faster. That means less time wrestling with wording and more time shaping offers that are easy for clients to understand. And clarity really matters. When visitors can quickly see what you offer, who it's for, and what to do next, they're much more likely to reach out, book, or start a project with you. Taken together, these tools help service businesses do three important things: get found more easily, create polished content faster, and build a stronger online presence that helps turn visitors into clients. The goal is to move you past the setup and into what matters, building a credible, branded experience for your clients. When your site is polished and easy to find, the right people can discover you, trust you, and take that next step with confidence. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.